Welcome. In front of me I have the EDIFIER MP260 and I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look / listen of this speaker, clock, or whatever you want to classify as. Anyway, let's open it up right away. Yeah, man. There we go. Some tips right here. Come on, it's basically a clock. I don't need tips for that. Instruction. Pretty sure I can figure out how to use a clock with a speaker. So everything is right here. Comes out. Okay, so there we go. That's how it looks like from the front. Plastic, a little front right here with EDIFIER branding, our digital clock, and then controls with a rubberized surface. They're a bit mushy, but still pretty good for just like a typical cables or typical buttons. Well, I am looking for a cable. Or I might not actually need to. So unplug my keyboard. Is that it? Probably not. Yeah, that is DC in, so why isn't it turning on? Let's have a red light on there. Or probably would help to press a power button. Or do I need to hold it? I am trying to figure this out as I go. It does have a built-in battery by the looks of it. We have right now Bluetooth pairing also, so you know what? I'm gonna quickly connect it. Hopefully it's gonna show up in the Bluetooth without much. Yep, I don't need to do anything, it just shows up. Pair. And there we go, that was pretty quick. Now, let's open up something like GrabRave. I'm gonna start off with a pretty low volume, because I don't know how loud it gets. Damn, that's actually not bad. I genuinely expected this to sound way worse. This has pretty decent sound. Now, I want to point out, at a lower volume, it doesn't have much of a punch in terms of bass, but once you crank it up, just at least on my phone, to like half volume, which is reasonably, like, not quiet, but also not like loud, it sounds pretty decent. Now, I'm pretty sure under like higher volumes, it's going to distort, as this is just a relatively small footprint right here. So if you want to like crank up the volume out of this quite hard, you most likely won't be getting that. But if this is something that you keep next to your bed, probably you're not going to be running any kind of like music raves from this. So yeah, that probably shouldn't be a problem. Additionally, a couple little buttons right here. We have the power button, we have the Bluetooth pairing, play, pause, forward and backwards. We have the clock and alarm clock options. And at the front right here, in terms of the information, we just have the battery status, time, connection to Bluetooth. So I think if it's connected, it's just stable. If it's not, it's probably going to be blinking or just disappear. And then we have also PM for if it's like noon or not. And yeah, there we go. One very cool thing about this is the fact that it actually obviously comes with a built-in battery. So if you lose power during the night, this just has a built-in battery, so it will continue to work and still wake you up in the morning, as it is in our alarm clock. And additional thing that I didn't mention, at the back we have a couple additional things like auxiliary port, and we have also a SD card reader and a USB. I'm not exactly sure what the USB is for, but obviously SD card, you can just put some music on here and play it off of that, though navigating through that might be a bit more iffy. Or I just assume you probably press play and skip forward through it without much of an idea what's playing next. And the auxiliary, so you can plug in some, for instance, MP3 player or phone through an auxiliary, if you have one even that has the headphone jack at all. So there we go. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.